forecast. What you tracking, Dan?
Hey there, Veronica. This is a live look from our Domenico's on the Wharf camp tonight. We look across the bay toward Seaside in Sand City, and we see pretty clear skies. We have very good visibility today due to very dry air, which has moved into the region. But another of the hazards that we've been dealing with does come from that sea. A high surf warning now in effect that lasts through 5 p.m. tomorrow. Very strong northwest swells coming in with breakers on the beaches up to 25 feet in height. Just imagine your height. Maybe you're 5'0", maybe you're 6'0". Stack 5 of you on top of each other, or maybe even more. That's how high some of these waves could be crashing on the beaches. You don't want to be under one of those waves, so please be careful. Even if you're on the rocks, the fishing jetties, places like that, please be careful throughout the night into the day tomorrow. This mainly affects south, or I should say west and north facing beaches, so the high surf warning is for the east shore of the bay, down along the Big Sur coast, and also far western Santa Cruz County. With that said, there's also a beach hazard statement for the north side of the bay. Some sneaker waves will keep finding their way into the north side of the bay, even though it seems more sheltered. There is a sneaker wave threat, so all of a sudden a big set of waves will come in and catch you off guard. Places like Santa Cruz, Capitola, those beaches, please be careful. I did see some video of some of those bigger sets coming in this afternoon. So again, all areas near the coast will have some dangers over the next 24 hours. Now, all of these swells being generated by storm system Olaf to our north. It's bringing rain to the Pacific Northwest. We remain high and very dry. An area of low pressure off to our south is continuing to direct flow offshore for us. So we're seeing this northeasterly flow that has brought very dry conditions and very warm conditions. It's much warmer out there right now than it was this time last night. We saw highs in the 70s for most locations today. It was very warm for December, and right now we still have temperatures in the 60s for most cities across the bay. So it's a very mild evening. Temperatures will fall here over the next couple of hours, and it will be chilly by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. But either way, very warm temperatures. Now we're talking about some rain potential. We're going to fast forward things all the way to Saturday. Look like some rain in Northern California as a cold front comes through. The back end of this will stall and could bring some light rain late Sunday night into Monday morning, something I'm watching. And then a system behind it about Tuesday of next week could bring some light rain. I don't want you to get too excited about this just yet, but it is something I'm watching. We do finally at least have some rain potential in the forecast. But until then, we're going to stay high and dry. Offshore flow continues tomorrow. It'll be chilly tomorrow morning, but very warm tomorrow afternoon with mostly sunny skies, just a few high clouds on the south. High temperatures in some cases like Salinas, for example, may actually tie records tomorrow. But take a look at these highs. 77 in Santa Cruz, 75 in Capitola. I know it seems like I'm heading right down to those beaches, but please be careful near the water tomorrow. 77 Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek, very warm temperatures tomorrow. East shore of the bay, all in the 70s as well. Places like Castroville Marina, you might even see 70s in Moss Landing tomorrow. 80 in Salinas, that would tie a record. 78 in Hollister tomorrow. The Monterey Peninsula, all in the 70s tomorrow. Very warm for this time of year. Your normal high in Monterey is 59, so that's 15 degrees above normal. Very toasty. And farther south, well, we'll see upper 70s up and down the Salinas Valley. And Big Sur actually could be our warm spot tomorrow at 82 due to those downsloping winds off of the Santa Lucia range. As we look at the next 7 days, tomorrow will be the warmest. We will start to cool down by big chunks Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. Onshore flow returns, cooler temperatures, moderating a little bit this weekend. And then there are those rain chances starting early next week. Again, don't get too excited about it just yet. In fact, I wouldn't even expect much inland at all. But on the coast, we've got some chances in the forecast. Inland areas, another bit of offshore winds, I should say, Wednesday into Thursday, but not as warm air with that one. You'll see a big cool down as we head toward the end of the week. And again, we're watching early next week. We're back after this.